Just feet away from its final destination, one of Dade's most historic houses fell off its dolly, shattering into a million pieces. The 69-year-old mansion, known as the Brown House, was being relocated to make way for a luxury hotel. At less than 5 miles per hour, the 2.5-story house was being moved piecemeal down Biscayne Boulevard and over the MacArthur Causeway when the accident occurred.
A gust of wind caught the house while they were trying to regain balance on a little bit of an incline here coming off MacArthur Causeway, and the whole house went over. In fact, there were about 10 men under the house working on it when it went over, and luckily all of them were saved.
It took all day just to get the back section of the house in place on Watson Island, and the front part was not far behind. Traffic was even rerouted to make way for the move, causing long lines and short tempers.
Up thousands and thousands and thousands of people who have to go somewhere.
You should have to wait a long time. Just look at the traffic.
And now the long and tedious cleanup process begins.
The company that's moving the house, or that was moving the house, is en route from North Miami with a heavy-duty front loader. And what we plan on doing is move the debris from the westbound lanes into the eastbound lanes, and then we're just going to sweep it off the side of the road for today.
In a few hours, this crumbled debris will be all cleaned up, but it will take months for organizers to piece together remnants of a shattered dream. Lisa Gregorish, News 4.